Tonight we're exploring the Ten of Pentacles, a card that represents legacy, security, and the lasting rewards of a life well lived. If you've ever wondered how this card connects to themes of family, stability, and long-term success, tonight's session is the perfect starting point. Why is the Ten of Pentacles such a powerful symbol of abundance and generational worth? How can understanding its deeper meaning help you recognize the importance of building a foundation for the future? And what if tonight's lesson is just the beginning of your journey into mastering the tarot? Whether you're new to tarot or looking to refine your skills, my courses are designed to take you further, helping you unlock the full potential of every card in the deck. For now, let's dive into everything you need to know about the Ten of Pentacles. The Ten of Pentacles card illustrates an old man seated in an archway leading into a grand estate. He appears to be the head of the family, surrounded by younger loved ones. The man wears a robe adorned with moon crescents and grapevines, symbolizing the union of spirit and matter. His family, including a happy couple, presumably his children, and a playful child, likely his grandchild, are present. The child reaches out to pet the family dog, further emphasizing familial warmth and continuity. This card deals with permanence and satisfaction, representing the culmination of efforts and the realization of long-term goals. The old man's position allows him to sit back and enjoy the legacy he's built while witnessing the happiness of his descendants. The Ten of Pentacles is deeply rooted in themes of financial success, stability, and family values. It highlights the importance of decisions that benefit not only the present but also future generations. The Ten of Pentacles card conveys permanence and stability. Efforts made over a long time yield lasting results. It encourages thinking long-term and avoiding shortcuts. This card underscores the importance of family connections and creating a legacy that benefits future generations. It signifies material comfort and the absence of financial struggles, often achieved through dedication and smart decisions. Tradition and heritage. This card invites reflections on one's roots, lineage, and the values being passed down through generations. When it comes to tarot readings, here's how you can apply it. If it comes to career and finances, it indicates career successes, financial abundance, and long-term investments paying off. It also suggests planning for retirement or making significant financial commitments. If you're looking at relationship and love, this card represents a stable and committed partnership. For singles, it suggests seeking a long-term relationship built on mutual values. When it comes to spirituality, it encourages sharing spiritual and material wealth with others, reflecting on family traditions and finding joy in contributing to the greater good. If we're looking at health and well-being, it advises reviewing family health patterns to maintain overall well-being. Now, the symbolism in this card, let's look at the archway and the estate. This is about stability, security, and a life built on solid foundations. The generational figures are emphasizing family values, continuity, and the transfer of wisdom and resources. The dogs represent loyalty, companionship, and enduring a bond between family members. The grapevines and the moon crescents are the balance of material and spiritual success. In summary, the Ten of Pentacles reflects a time of accomplishment, stability, joy, derived from shared successes and deep family bonds. It reminds us of the value of long-term planning and the importance of creating a lasting foundation for future generations. Whether it appears in a reading for career, relationships, or spiritual growth, this card offers reassurance that efforts made with dedication and foresight will bear fruit and create enduring rewards. Everything comes together in the end when you remain focused and committed. The Ten of Pentacles is a beacon of success, not just in the material realm, but also in the connections and traditions that make life truly rich. The Ten of Pentacles highlights the fruits of labour and how they benefit not just the individual, but their family and community. This card urges us to think beyond immediate gratification and work towards creating a legacy that will endure through the generations. For instance, this card suggests that success is not only about financial wealth, but also about emotional and spiritual abundance. The family's joy and unity reflect the intangible rewards of dedication and love. The imagery of the archway leading into the estate symbolizes the entry into a life of fulfillment and the continuity of traditions. The Ten of Pentacles represents a thriving career or business venture that has brought about financial security. It emphasizes the importance of making wise investments and planning for the long term, whether it's achieving a promotion, running a successful business, or securing retirement. This card reassures that your efforts will yield results that stand the test of time. It also serves as a reminder to share your success by mentoring others or contributing to your community. By doing so, you extend the legacy of your accomplishments and reinforce the cycle of abundance. When it comes to relationships and love, the Ten of Pentacles signifies stability and commitment. It reflects the merging of families, the joy of creating a home together, and the satisfaction of building a shared future. For those seeking love, it encourages focusing on values that align with your long-term goals. In established relationships, this card often points to milestones like marriage, starting a family, or celebrating shared achievements. It's a reminder that love thrives when rooted in mutual respect, shared aspirations, and commitment to growth. Spiritually, the Ten of Pentacles encourages gratitude for the abundance in your life and reminds you to share your blessings with others. This card teaches that true wealth is found in relationships, traditions, and the wisdom passed down through generations. It also asks you to honor your ancestors and recognize their influence on your journey. Connecting with your roots can provide strength and guidance as you navigate your spiritual path. The Ten of Pentacles is a positive card for well-being and health, suggesting vitality and stability. However, it also prompts you to consider family health history and take proactive steps to ensure long-term well-being. Building a healthy lifestyle now can create the benefits that extend to future generations. Some practical guidance from this card is: one must need to focus on building strong foundations in all areas of life. Make decisions that consider both the short-term and the long-term impacts. Celebrate and nurture family connections, ensuring their growth and strength. Invest time and energy into creating a legacy that you can be proud of. Practice gratitude for your achievements and share them generously. The Ten of Pentacles serves as a reminder that the most rewarding accomplishments are those that are created with a lasting impact. This card challenges you to think about what you want to leave behind and how your current actions align with those aspirations. By embracing the values of hard work, stability, and community, you can ensure that your legacy is one of enduring significance. And here we have my website. I just showed you the courses, and here on the screen, you can see that there's several things that I've put on there for you to enjoy your tarot journey. There's quizzes that will be asking you questions about where you are in your journey, helping you to work out exactly where you are and what you might need, if anything. Have a look. They are really helpful and they're free. We also have a natal chart explorer so that you can have a look at where your star signs are. Astrology plays a huge part in the way in which tarot can really open doors for depth and insights and nuanced readings. Let's take a look at that natal chart. So here on the screen is our free natal chart. Just fill it in, put your basic details in as shown, and make sure that you're happy with everything. Where you're from, time you were born, if known, and place. From there, you'll be able to create your natal chart. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're passionate about tarot and dream of turning it into a professional career, you're in the right place. These courses at tarotwithanne-marie.com have been created specifically for those who want to go beyond just reading for themselves. They're designed to help you build the skills, confidence, and structure needed to become a paid professional reader. I've had the privilege of helping hundreds of students transition into professional tarot readers, and that's because this system works. By mastering card pairing and my signature one spread only, you'll have a clear, repeatable method that not only enhances your readings, but also builds trust with clients. When you have a system, you'll feel like the true professional that you are, grounded, confident, and capable of delivering powerful insights every time. Remember, your journey doesn't stop here. Keep growing, keep learning, and know that you can absolutely turn your passion into a career. I can't wait to see the amazing things that you'll achieve. Visit tarotwithanne-marie.com to dive deeper into this journey. Until next time, happy reading.